Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we spoke about police clearance certificate, and today we'll be speaking about how to get your documents apostille and how do you get your medical certificate. Now in terms of getting your documents apostille, you need to get your degree certificate, your latest degree certificate. If you are going for your bachelor studies, then your 12th certificate, and if you are going for your masters, then your bachelor degree certificate that you need to get apostilled. And apostille, what does the apostille stamp mean? So basically it is a stamp or a seal that makes sure that whatever you have done is legal and you're not done any fake stuff. So it is nothing but to show the government of either Belgium, Italy, or any other European government that you have done a valid certificate. So it is that kind of a mark which is needed, and it is done at the back side of your entire certificate. So you need to get your police clearance certificate at apostille. If you haven't seen that video, please go and see how do you get the PCC. And then you need to get your birth certificate. Also few people suggest that you need to get apostille if you want to get stay there for a longer period of time, or you want to get married over there, but it's an optional certificate. But your PCC has to be apostille and your degree certificate has to be apostille. So now I did the entire process in 2 days. Now how did I do that? I did it via agency. It is always easier to do it via agency. You have to spare a minimum of 2,500 rupees for the entire procedure, but they do everything for you. I just went down there on a Saturday and got my documents back on Tuesday. So the entire process was so quick, and it could have been on the very next day, but since it was Saturday and Sunday was off, so it could not happen. You can also do it via esandan.com, something of that sort, but it's very hectic. So do it in this particular procedure. It would be very easy. You just need to drop your all the documents to the center over there. I'll also put a PDF copy of all the agents, private agents, which are there in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. That is first thing. You just need to take whatever documents you need to get apostilled to that agency, and that's it. Get 2 passport copy photos and a passport copy itself, so that this is all that will suffice. They give you a form which you need to fill, the basic details, where you're going, why you're going. So these are the basic details which is needed. So it's very simple procedure, and it's not a headache at all. Then comes the medical certificate. So before I get into the details of how do you get the medical certificate, one thing need to be cleared from your itself is that you don't need to get your medical certificate apostilled. Just the documents which I mentioned before needs to be apostilled, not your medical certificate. So in the medical certificate, medical certificate, what all test has to be done, you need not worry about that. The embassy has given a lot of certain hospitals which have these embassy verified doctors which can give you this certificate. So I stay in Mumbai, so I went to the Bridge Candy hospital. When you go there, they give you a list of tests that you need to do these tests, and the timing for the doctor over there is 10 to 12 a.m. and the name of the doctor was Dr. Rohit Barman. And there was one more, but I met this particular doctor. So he just does some physical examination of yours, then the urine and the stool test is done, then your blood is taken for the syphilis test, just to make sure that you are all cleared in the medically. So what are documents, like what are things, what are tests had been done, I put it just right in front of the screen, so it's very much clear. Also, one thing you need to take care is you need to have a proper photo. Now with me, I took the normal photo which I took in the PCC also, but they denied that photo. They wanted a photo which is something that the Belgian visa would verify and make sure it's correct. So I went to the nearest photo studio and told them I need a Belgian visa passport size photo. So that photo was different, and they gave me that photo, and yeah, that's it. So medical certificate and your apostille, it's very easy procedure. I would personally suggest do not go to do it personally, your apostille. It's very long procedure. I do not even know what uncomfortability you might face over there, so it's better go to the agent. He'll do everything for you, give you your documents, and it's absolutely safe. I did it myself. And the medical certificate also, you go a day, you get all the tests done. It's hardly going to take you half an hour, and then you come back, they give you all your certificate the next day. So I hope this video would be useful for all of you. If you have any other doubts, any other suggestions for the next upcoming video, do not forget to tell me in the comment box, and do like, subscribe and share as much as you can, so that people who are not aware about these things are aware. And till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.